Hi, happy to have you on board with Pickyourtrail, your one stop for a hassle-free holiday. I am Chandrasekharan, Head of Customer Experience, here to ensure that everything from now on till the time you return from your vacation is smooth and hassle-free. Here are the top 5 things you should know at this point of time. Number 1, download the Pickyourtrail app and keep the notifications on so that you could receive all the important updates regarding your vacation. Number 2, now that you've made the first payment, all the bookings associated with the itinerary are initiated and you should be able to see the real-time status in the vouchers section of the app. Vouchers are uploaded anywhere between 72 to 96 working hours. Number 3, as there are different stages to a vacation, we assign experts to handle the specific requirements to ensure you have a hassle-free experience. The details of the experts assigned to you can be checked in the status section of the app. Number 4, to reach to your dedicated account executive, you could type in your query or request in the support section of the app. The executive would reach out to you with the resolution for the same. Number 5, to check your payment status or to make your scheduled payment, check the Vacation Essentials section of the app. For any feedbacks or suggestions, please feel free to drop a note to this mail. We are always here to make your journey memorable and hassle-free.